giant's castle, trespassers welcome.
They sure are, especially at lunchtime.
You startled me.
You put a fright in me, too. You don't belong in this story. Who are you? No, don't tell me. You're one of them witches.
Or something like that, but I'll only stay a minute.
Oh, stay as long as you like. It's a change to have someone new to talk to now and then.
Well, I haven't got much time for talk. I'm looking for a little girl, blonde, about
Never
so
saw
high.
her. The only kid I know is Jack.
Oh, you must be the giant's wife.
Of course I'm the giant's wife. But don't envy me married to that big goof. If he's not counting his treasure, he's eating himself into a stupor.
Ma'am,
oh, and the things he puts into his stomach, it's a wonder he don't have indigestion.
Ma'am,
do you know what my grocery bill was for this week alone?
Ma'am, if you just tell me...
I am telling you. 1,000 gold crowns. If a couple of trespassers didn't wander into the castle now and then, it would be twice that much.
Ma'am, I really can't find my daughter.
If I'm not shopping for food, I'm bent over a hot stove cooking food, while he's fee-fi-fo fumming all over the place.
Excuse me. Tabitha?
Okay. If you want to be his mid-morning snack, just keep heading for the castle.
Pardon me, may I see the giant, please?
No, he don't see nobody unless his name is Jack.
Oh. Pardon me, are you a giant?
I am not a giant, I am the giant. And who in tarnation are you?
My name is Tabitha.
There's no Tabitha in this story.
There is now, do you know why?
Yes, because you're a witch.
No, because I ran away from home on account of my mommy and daddy are having a baby brother. That's why.
It's a very charming tale of woe. There's absolutely nothing I can do about it. I don't adopt children. I only eat them.
I know. Are they delicious?
They can be quite tasty at times.
Are you going to eat me?
What are you, some kind of nut?
You don't like me either.
I'm a mean, evil giant, for pity's sake. I don't like anybody.
My mommy says I'm delicious. All sugar and spice and everything nice.
You're making my mouth water. No, thank you. I couldn't swallow another bite. Besides, I'm only allowed to eat storybook children. Now, please, go!
What's that?
Oh, that's my magic harp and my hen who lays the golden eggs.
Can I play with them?
No, you can't. I'm a very busy giant, little girl. So vamoose! Fee-fi-fo-fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman!
I knew a poem, too. Mary had a little lamb.
Will you be quiet and let me get on with the story? That rascal Jack will be here any minute.
No, he won't. He's living in my house.
Nonsense. He comes into the castle on the next page.
He won't.
Will!
Won't.
Will! Listen, kid, I've been living this story for 100 years. Jack always comes by at this time to try to rob me of my treasure.
Can I rob you instead?
No, you can't. It would change the whole story. Now get lost!
I am lost.
Oh, boy. Now, listen, little girl. I am about to lose my temper.
If you lose your temper, I'll make a no-no at you.
Oh, Darrin, I was afraid you'd left already. He's here, Mr. Hampton. Come on in.
Well, hello there, Stephens. How are you? Oh, fine, thanks. But I didn't think you were coming in till next week, Mr. Hampton.
No, I'm just in for the day to attend a wedding. Thought I'd stop by and see how you were doing. How's it coming?
Oh, fine, fine.
Mr. Hampton was wondering if he could get a peek at the layouts.
Oh, I haven't got them here. They're home.
Oh, what a shame.
I can bring them in tomorrow.
No, I have to get back to Detroit tonight.
No problem. We can just drive out to Stevens' place.
Oh, well, that'll be great.
Let's go.
Oh, well, Larry, wait. I can't go.
Why not?
Because, well, we've got this new maid, and Sam asked me to stay out of the way until this evening. She's a real dingaling.
Sam?
The maid.
We're just going to get those layouts and go.
Well, as a matter of fact, the layouts aren't ready.
Mr. Hampton knows that. He just wants to see the work in progress.
Yeah, I especially want to see what you've got on the new economy car.
Let's go. We can talk on the way.
Larry, with all due respect, I don't think it's fair to ask me to show unfinished work.
Is that a perfectionist for you? I tell you, this boy has principles, pride of accomplishment, qualities we at McMahon and Tate encourage and admire. Well, Mr. Hampton, our client, wants to see what you have, finished or not. So let's go. Mr. Hampton?
Thank you.
Hurry up to the moon. Don't take all day.
How you doing?
Checkmate.
Mother, pull yourself together.
Feeling better after your nap?
Oh, yes, what a luxury. Where's Esmeralda?
She's out on the patio playing with Tabitha.
Mother, has anything happened?
Oh, I haven't heard a sneeze out of her since she went upstairs.
And then the prince bent over and kissed the princess, and she opened her eyes and she smiled.
Did the prince ever kiss you?
No, I was almost kissed by a king, but I sneezed right in the middle of it. It took them 2 days to find him. And then... Oh, my goodness.
Puff the magic pony.
Mrs. Stephens,
Yes, Esmeralda.
do you like animals?
Look, Mommy, a funny pony.
There's nothing funny about it.
Oh, it's divine.
And it's not a pony. It's a unicorn, and they don't exist anymore.
Why not?
You remember I told you about Noah's Ark?
Uh-huh.
The unicorns missed the boat.
I've been meaning to ask you, Stevens, you still negative about the name for the new economy car?
Oh, I think Cheetah has impact. It certainly says speed and grace.
It sure does.
The only thing is there's an image confusion relating to cheating.
That doesn't mean that he doesn't love it.
I had my boys in research check it out, and they agree with you. It doesn't test well.
Something about the name Cheetah always bothered me.
We'll have to give some thought to another name.
Well, here's one I was toying with. Coyote. Fast, light, sure.
Good, good.
Bad image.
Bad, bad.